Pull it.
Oh! I don't want to fall in the badger hole.
Get it! Where is the badger hole? Down there. Okay.
In knotweed hell.
Step on it.
Do you want me to guys to cut it?
Yeah. Get it. Get it.
Other end, other end. What other end? Now they're not going to... Okay, that's not... Now they're not going to... They're going to go back. Yeah, there you go.
Dig.
We got this!
Watch the video. Get the knotweed. This video's not ending till we get that knotweed.
Get it out.
Megan got her possessed.
Here, give me it. Let's get the other side.
Oh, hold on. Just pull it.
Okay. Ready? Go!
There's one. Here, I'll help you pull it.
One down. Ah!
Little nasties.
Oh, that didn't hurt at
Oh my gosh!